In this video, we will learn what is large cap mutual fund, what are the features of a large cap mutual fund, and some of good large cap mutual fund to invest. Large cap mutual funds are equity funds that invest most of their money in companies with a large market capitalization. Market capitalization or market cap measures a company's value based on the number of stock shares it has issued and the price at which investors are willing to buy them. Large cap companies are highly reputed and have an excellent track record of generating wealth for their investors over a long period. According to SEBI, large cap companies fall in the top 100 of the list of the companies according to market capitalization. Hence, investing in these companies is considered to be less risky and steady. Now, let us learn features of large cap mutual funds. It is well-known fact that mutual funds are subjected to market risk. In the share market, share price of the listed companies changes daily. But it has been seen that fluctuation of share price of large cap companies are very less as compared to the mid or small cap companies, and hence the fluctuation of your money invested in large cap mutual funds are less as compared to mid or small cap mutual fund. Because of the less fluctuation, the risk involved in the investment of the large cap mutual funds are low. Because of the discussed features, the return of investment in large cap mutual funds are low as compared to mid or small cap mutual funds. One can consider this as a drawback, but at the same time, if any uncertainty happens and market crashes, at that time the large cap companies will fall less as compared to the mid or small cap companies, and hence your money invested in large cap mutual funds will be in less risk. Large cap mutual fund investment are not suitable for short-term investments. It is good for long-term investment. Now let us know some of the good large cap mutual funds. I would like to mention disclaimer here that these are not recommendation of any mutual fund company. These are just good from my point of view. So for investment, you can do your own analysis. Okay, let us see. Nippon India Large Cap Fund Direct Growth. It has given 33% return in the last year. ICICI Prudential Blue Chip Fund Direct Growth. Last year performance is 27% annual return. Baroda BNP Paribas Large Cap Fund Direct Growth 26%. SBI Blue Chip Direct Plan Growth 22%. Thank you. Please comment if you find this video helpful. Also comment if you want similar videos on small and mid cap mutual funds and how to analyze good mutual funds.